Hello friends, today I am going to do a C++ program. In this program I am going to use a concept of operator overloading. So this is concept in which we are going to overload any of the operators so that we can use it in a different manner. As generally in the class concept we'll see that we are not able to do some operations with the object. So like we don't know how to copy the object to directly, or we don't have any functions to directly do any of the things of with the object of the class. So we in that case we have to do with the operator overloading. So we'll be doing overloading with the requirements with this question which is here. So in this question we have to overload the function plus, and the extraction operator with the cout statement, this we have to overload. So going with the program, here we are creating a class named as string, that is a caps lock. If it will be in small, it will be a predefined class, so we'll give in capital, and in that we are declaring a string as s. After declaring, we are giving all the constructor or functions in the public so that it can be called from outside the class. So the first one is first constructor we are making of the class, that is when the object is made without any argument. In that case, what should be, it should not be showing error, so we are giving that in that case the object should have nothing in that. And the second constructor we are giving as with the argument that will the argument is having a character array of size 20. In this case, with the object we have to pass an argument that will be a character. So that character we are storing as a string in ch, that we are declaring it here only. So, and that string will be copied in the string which we have declared above. So we are copying the character into the string, because at the time of object declaration, creating the object, we will give the character as an input there, as an argument will pass there as character, and that should be in string. And the third function is there, that this function is the only function in which we are going to overload our plus operator. So the syntax is like that, we have to give a function name, means function type. Which function type is this? So we are taking a string, our class function type only, and then operator, and which operator we want to overload, that will be here. And then if I want to pass any argument, so here we are not passing an in the argument we are passing an object, so that the two objects can be summed up and the value will be getting in the third object. So the here the type is string, as because we are returning a value that will be a string object only. So here we are declaring again a string c, that is c, we are calling the variable of this class c dot s, and it will be equal to s plus d dot s. D is the second object that is calling its string, and that is being added with the first string. So this s is of the first object, means invoking object, and this is the object which has been passed to the argument, and then return c. So it is returning the whole sum of value in a next object of the string. After that we are using a friend function. In this friend function we are using the class of ostream. In this we are overloading this operator, and here we are using call by reference. So in call by reference we have to use ampersand, means we have to pass the address, not the value. And here is the string a that we are going to pass, give this that string, and that will be printed at the result. So return out, and then word display is also there, a function that will also display the result as s3, in which we have stored after the two sum, adding the two objects will be storing in that. So that is being displayed here. After that main function comes. Here we are declaring creating an object of string, and in this object we are passing a character array that has been as a second constructor. We have said that it will be constructed, it will be changed into string, and the same like second object is like that only. And third is without any argument we have created, so no value will be there. And here we are giving directly that s3 is equal to s1 plus s2, means s3 will be storing the value of the object s2 and s1 when they are being summed up. And here cout, and directly we are printing the object because we have overloaded this function, this operator also. So we'll be getting the value. So we'll check by running. We are getting the result output what we should get. This object 1 and object 2 has been added, and we are getting it as s3. So thank you.